Hey, good evening. A bit past 7 now on Wednesday, the 4th of October. Line of storms now extends roughly from Sherman to Decatur to Albany to Sweetwater. Most of these storms right now are not considered severe in the hail damaging wind department, but they are all producing heavy rainfall. A couple of storms down in southwest Texas still severe as well. Line of storms, now that it has begun forming, is going to begin progressing to the southeast more quickly. Should see a forward motion of about 20 to 30 miles an hour, maybe a bit slower at times. May become a bit faster later tonight into Thursday morning. Still a couple of scattered showers and storms in far northeast Texas. We're going to have to keep an eye out on some of those individual storms for a very low threat of a spin-up tornado over the next few hours. Otherwise, as we continue through the night, the high-res rapid refresh model doing a pretty good job of handling the current situation. We're anticipating storms will continue to move south and east in conjunction with a strong cold front overnight, and that means a lot of us across the state will be getting rain and storms at some point over the next 12 to 18 hours. Some of these storms will be severe, with damaging straight line winds over 60 miles an hour becoming the primary hazard, but pocket change size hail also going to be a threat. Can't totally rule out a brief spin up tornado. Otherwise, very heavy rainfall, the potential for localized flooding will be the primary concerns overnight with these storms. As you can see, we're actually going to be pretty busy overnight into Thursday morning as the line of storms with the cold front makes it all the way through the hill country, the Brazos Valley, the piney woods of East Texas, down to the upper Texas coast and southeast Texas, back into the coastal plains in south central Texas. As always, you can keep an eye on the sky with the Free Texas Storm Chasers interactive weather radar on our website and in the Free Texas Storm Chasers mobile app. There has now been a loud crashing sound outside my office. I'm going to go investigate.